Man uses a key to scratch a Tesla in Clementi car park as he doesn't know how Tesla Model 3 cams work. A man in Singapore who was either mischievous or envious or both used his key to scratch a Tesla parked at a car park. Why do people... Can you explain this to me? I honestly do not understand the key scratch car. I don't get it at all. Not one bit. So you're going to have to explain it to me, Will.
Maybe this person's a Tesla hater and the product is literally right in front of them. No one's watching. It kind of, I mean, someone would if they're a hater.
So you hate the Tesla.
I'm that guy.
No, I'm trying to paint a picture. I know some people just want to watch the world burn or whatever, but look at this guy. He's got his groceries. He's got his groceries. He's on his way home. He's a citizen. I mean, he's going to his apartment. He seems to have his life together. At what point does the switch go off? Like, I'm going to scratch this car right here. It's just strange to me. I know people do it. Because someone will just come and tell me, like a friend of mine will go by, yeah, my car got keyed in the parking lot. I'd be like, and it doesn't have to be a Tesla. And it's just very chaotic, and I just don't understand the payoff. But maybe the payoff is this right here, just a little bit of chaos. Anyway, a video caught the man red-handed, and the act was put up on Facebook. Right? Well, yeah, of course. You got the video recording on the car. The man in blue with a mask on, holding a plastic bag of items in his left hand, was seen walking in front of the Tesla before he came to the driver's side of the car. In one fluid motion, he scratched the full length of the driver's side. He finished the job by sticking the key into the side of the car when he got to the rear. The entire act lasted 5 seconds. Here is the damage that was sustained. I mean, it's just annoying, really.
It is.
It comes with 8 cameras on the car. Just so you know, would be scratcher types. Although I know nobody in this community would do something like this. Well, so I don't even have to warn anybody. But you can tell your friends that at least as far as the Teslas go, they're going to be recorded. There's so many cameras over there. If someone keys your car, all you have to do, you'll have a video of it happening. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Still haven't found the person, but hopefully soon.
Yeah, I mean, that's the thing. The crime is one of these minor crimes, and what would even happen because of it? But, in this case, it's just annoying.
It is very annoying.
It's just annoying.
Just knowing that it's done purposeful.
It's just annoying. That's literally all it is. You're so annoying, dude.
Yeah.
That's all.